Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Using a pry bar, remove the air hose located on the left of the airbox. Lift the airbox to disengage it, then shift it to the left to unclip the air conduit from its support. Remove the airbox. Using a T20 Torx socket, remove the 11 screws securing the air filter flange. Open the airbox. Then remove the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the flange back on. Rescrew the 11 holding screws. Put the airbox back in place, paying careful attention to properly put the spur into position. Then push down to lock it in place. Reconnect the hose. Operation completed.